Hello everyone. Our report is about the organizational structure of a cruise stop and concessionaires. Concessionaires. Sila yung mga mismong hotel or sa cruise ship ang nagpapasweldo. Mga small business na nagre-rent ng isang commercial store tulad ng mga casino, like for example, sa mga SM accessories. Sila yung mga pen shop, palimbawa, di naman mismong SM ang nagsisweldo sa mga tauhan ng pen shop, kundi yung mga nagre-renta mismo ng mga space para sa business nila. Okay? Hotel department. The ship personnel is divided into 3 sections. Ito yung deck, engineering, at hotel at department. Ang cruise ship hires many people in order to provide the best service to its passengers. Many positions are only filled on a short-term basis, which gives many opportunities for people to land a short-term job or gig which can last between one cruise or 4 years. Okay na, next na.
Next, cruise ship casino. The casino is the most profitable direct cash flow venue aboard any cruise ship. Some cruise lines run their own casino operation throughout their fleets. Others have their casinos operated by specialized concessions. Number 1, casino manager. As manager, you need to maintain an entertainment area. Syempre, responsible mo din na in training yung mga casino staff to make sure all casino team members performs up to the standards of service set by cruise line or concession. And ina-ensure niya na lahat ng mechanical and electronic equipment sa casino ay na-maintain at gumagana ng maayos. At si casino manager din ang in charge sa buong casino marketing and promotion strategies. Assistant casino manager, siya naman yung nag-oversees and supervise sa everyday operation ng casino, and he build and maintains relationship with casino VIP guests. Next, casino dealer, siya naman yung may responsible pagdating sa iba't ibang table games like blackjack, let it ride, roulette, and etc. As casino dealers, syempre siya yung nagmamonitor sa lahat na naglalaro para maiwasan yung pandaraya, and he ensure that all players are informed about the rules of the game. At last, is siya din ang nag-exchange ng casino chips and tokens for money. Next, slot technician, siya naman yung responsible pagdating sa maintenance and repairs ng lahat ng ginagamit sa casino like currency changers, card shuffling, coin handling, and others machine. At nagko-collect ng bills and coins sa currency exchange machine, also responsible for refilling the slot machine with coins. Last, casino cashier, siya naman yung nakikipag-deals directly sa mga passenger transaction like exchange cash, coins, casino chips, and charges credit cards. At siya din ang responsible for repairing daily and end of cruise ship reports by counting and recording totals of cash. Next.
So yun na nga, sa cruise ship entertainment, production show cast members, production show vocal captain. So ang production vocal captain, siya yung nagpe-prepare at supervise sa buong rehearsals in conjunctions with his dancer counterpart, at ini-ensure niya din na lahat ng musical, entertainment, technical at audio video tech support is available for the rehearsal. Siya din yung nag-relay sa buong show at rehearsal schedule sa buong show. Singer in the cast team. Next is show singer production lead vocalist. So sa production lead vocalist, responsible niya naman na i-maintain at i-organize yung cast members, dressing room, backstage area. He also responsible for the proper care of all production show like costume, wigs, hat, and etc. to ensure that they are stored immediately after performance. Next is production show captain, show vocal captain. So sa siya naman yung nag-a-assist sa cast performing manager at production company choreography during rehearsal period. at nag-review sa mga video footage mula sa buong production show on a regular basis at ninonotes niya yung lahat ng magiging errors na magagawa ng mga show dancer, and I distribute yung notes sa cast members during the rehearsal. Next is production show dancer. So yan, siya naman ang responsible pagdating sa paglinis at maintain sa buong company, production show, costume at nag-lead and escort sa passenger tours of the bridge and ships theater backstage area.
Gift shop manager, siya yung nagmamanage sa payroll, scheduling, reports at email inventory. Siya din yung nag-order ng merchandise para sa shop, enter and price merchandise in the POS system. Ito yung point of sales is a place where customer execute the payment for good or services. At maging sa pag-prepare weekly ng schedules at operate the shop within the budget sets for payroll and the control expenses. Assistant gift shop manager. Responsibilities niya naman na tumulong sa trainee at supervise yung mga student staff na mag-service sa public at i-assist sa manager to ordering stock and displaying the merchandise. Saka as assistant, responsible niya din na siguraduhin lahat ng daily papers is order and prior days deposit were correct. Retail sales associate. Ito naman yung may responsible with it when it comes sa pag-achieving and exceeding ng sales goals through highly developed promotional and visual skills sa pagpaprocess ng payments by totaling purchases, processing, check and cash and store or other credit card. Siya yung nag-assist sa inventory including receiving and stocking merchandise. Fine jewelry sales. Specialist siya yung nag-assist sa customer jewelry transaction sa lahat ng types including sales, trade-ups, and return special orders. Then develops and maintain jewelry and watch product knowledge. As watch sales specialist maintain responsibility for the organization of the shop and storage areas. At syempre, as fine watch sales specialist, you must maximize sales by promoting a variety of luxury designer watches. As fragrance and cosmetic consultant, you need to educate the customer on product information and application at syempre register. Maintain and update every customer in point of sale system. And I thank you.
Cruise ship, spa, salon, and personal care jobs. As spa manager, it is responsible to oversee the hair salon and spa operations inclusive of the fitness center, manage, motivates, trains, and coaches salon, spa, and fitness staff. Hairstylist. As a hairstylist, syempre you will be responsible for making the customer feel relaxed and pampered throughout the session. Then you must maintain extensive knowledge about current trends in haircuts and hairstyling. Lastly, it keeps tools and workstation clean. Barber. Responsibilities include cutting, trimming, styling, and coloring client hair according sa gusto nila or sa instructions na binigay nila. As barber, syempre kailangan meron ka din ma-provide na suggestion about their hairstyle and hair care advice sa mga client. Beauty therapist, kailangan mo ensure na yung buong areas ay malinis, pati na yung mga equipment ay na-sterilize bago gamitin. As beauty therapist, you need to manage appointments, and update client record with contact details and treatment received. As manager therapist, perform deep tissue massage and responsible for the sale of product and services. At syempre, you must attending and participating in meeting and training sessions. As a nail technician, you need to provide high quality manicures and pedicures, which include removing old nail polish, prepare and clean beauty station in between appointments. At syempre, ang importante sa lahat, sterilize equipment bago gamitin. Spa receptionist, ito yung responsible pagdating sa sale of product and services, tsaka sa pag-manage ng receptionist sa lobby area. Siya din yung sumasagot sa mga phone calls, nag-a-assist sa guests with question regarding sa spa. Last personal trainer, siya nagli-lead sa fitness classes, nag-provide ng fitness consultations at dapat knowledge pagdating sa lahat ng product and service sa spa. Saka nagpo-provide ng personal fitness training session for spa. Thank you.